Good morning, student. Today we will study about the equivalent conductance and molar conductance. So what is mean by the equivalent conductance? What is the unit of the equivalent conductance? And then what is mean by the molar conductance and what is the unit of the molar conductance? Okay, so first equivalent conductance. What is the equivalent conductance? The equivalent conductance means it is represented by the lambda. Okay, so equivalent conductance means the conductance of solution containing one equivalent electrolyte is called as the equivalent conductance. It is called as the equivalent conductance, and the volume is V equal to V centimeter cube. The equivalent conductance for the V centimeter cube, and these equivalent conductance interrelated with the specific conductance. Because this specific conductance determine for the specific area. It means that the 1 centimeter length between the two electrode and 1 centimeter square cross sectional area of the electrolyte. Okay, and the equivalent conductance for the V centimeter cube solution. Okay, so what is the definition of the equivalent conductance? The equivalent conductance definition is the conductance of solution containing one equivalent of the electrolyte present. It is called as the equivalent conductance. Okay, this equivalent conductance interrelated with the specific conductance, because specific conductance for the 1 centimeter cube and the equivalent conductance lambda for the V centimeter cube. Okay, so therefore lambda equal to K into V. Okay, K into V. Okay, then this V how can determine by the normality equation, concentration term? What is mean by the concentration term? Normality. Okay, so normality, it means by the normality, what is the definition? Number of gram of equivalent per unit volume of the solution in 1 liter of the solution. Okay, so then normality for the 1 cubic centimeter, then normality number of equivalent per unit volume in a cubic centimeter. Okay, for the 1 liter. Okay, so here for the equivalent conductance, the number of equivalent is a 1. So therefore N, and normality N. Okay, so N and normality number of equivalent equal to 1, or VCC, or into 1000. Okay, so how can determine the V? So 1000 upon N. Then this value put in the equation number 1. Which is the number? Equation lambda equal to K into V. Okay, so K into V. What is V? 1000 upon N normality. So this is the equivalent conductance. Again, then the unit of the equivalent conductance. Unit of the equivalent conductance how can determine? So firstly, in a CGS system. Okay, CGS system. So specific conductance, the unit of the specific conductance is ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Okay, and normality it is measured in number of equivalent upon centimeter cube. Okay, जब ये सेंटीमीटर ऊपर चला जाता है तो क्या होता है, जैसे कि वैसे यहाँ पे रह जाता है. ओके, सो देयरफॉर ओम इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स इनटू सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और इक्विवेलेंट इनवर्स. सो दिस कट होके क्या रह गया? स्क्वायर रह गया. ओके, सो देयरफॉर ओम इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इक्विवेलेंट इनवर्स. सो दिस इज द CGS system unit. Okay, then it is converted into, again it can be measured in SI unit. What is the SI unit of the equivalent conductance? Lambda. Okay, again ohm inverse and meter inverse. Okay, and volume, again 1 upon normality equivalent inverse upon meter cube. Okay, so ohm inverse meter inverse into meter square into equivalent inverse. Okay, so यहाँ पे रह गया ओम इनवर्स meter square equivalent inverse, or it can be right same meter square equivalent inverse. Okay, okay, अब आते हैं. सो ये हो गया इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस का इन एसआई यूनिट में, एसआई सिस्टम में यूनिट और सीजीएस सिस्टम में. ओके, देन आते हैं मोलर कंडक्टेंस. किस पर आते हैं? मोलर कंडक्टेंस. ओके, सो देन मोलर कंडक्टेंस, व्हाट इज मीन बाय द मोलर कंडक्टेंस? मोलर कंडक्टेंस, okay, and it can be represented in the mu. Okay, again like the same definition equivalent, but only difference is the here use the number of moles. Okay, so the conductance of solution containing the 1 mole of electrolyte is called as the molar conductance. Only difference in the equivalent conductance and molar conductance is the in equivalent conductance there number of equivalent, and here take the number of moles. Okay, so again same relation with the specific conductance K into V. Again V can be determined by the molarity here. Okay, so what is the molarity? What is the formula molarity for the number of mole per unit volume in a cubic centimeter for the 1 liter of the solution. Okay, so then number of mole 1. Okay, 1 and the V into 1000. So therefore V equal to 1000 upon M. So this value put in this equation. क्या होगा? So K into 1000 upon M. 1000 upon M. Okay. So then after that, again here the unit measured in a CGS system and SI system. So firstly CGS system. Okay, again ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, and into number of mole means mole upon centimeter cube. Okay, and then ohm inverse, centimeter square, and mole inverse. Okay, also we can write ohm centimeter square, mole inverse. So this is the unit in a CGS system. And in SI system again same. SI system ohm inverse, meter inverse, 1 upon mole upon meter cube. Okay, so therefore ohm inverse, meter inverse into meter square and mole inverse. So क्या है? ओम इनवर्स, मीटर स्क्वायर, मोल इनवर्स. Again also can write same on meter square, mole inverse. Okay, so yes, we stop. I think you understood. So thank you.